Hello students, welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 1, Introduction to Computers. Content of this video is input devices. In your book, they have given 13 input devices. We are going to learn one by one. First one is keyboard. First point, keyboard is the most common input device, and there are three types: wired, wireless, virtual. Next, individual keys for letters, numbers and special characters are collectively known as character keys. Next point, keyboard layout is derived from the keyboard of original typewriter. Next point, data and instructions are given as input to the computer by typing on the keyboard. First one, it can be wired or wireless. This is wired keyboard, this is wireless keyboard. Here there is a wire which is going to be connected with the CPU. Here this device is not having any wire, but there will be a USB port, and using that we can use this keyboard just like this wired keyboard. This is said to be virtual keyboard. This is said to be online virtual keyboard because for online transaction, instead of using our keyboard, we can use this. For typing the username, we can type the characters shown here. This is said to be virtual keyboard. Next, the letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y, QWERTY keyboard, because this arrangement is same as in the typewriter. So we are saying this keyboard is derived from the typewriter. Then the characters and the numbers 1, 2, 3 here are all together said to be character keys. Apart from the character keys, here there are many divisions. Navigation keys, if the cursor is used for moving up, down, left and right, home, end, insert, there are many things. So these are said to be navigation keys. The function keys you can see with the letter of F, from F1 to F12, and this is said to be function keys. Control keys are Escape, Alt, Shift, Control, Windows key, which are present in the left and right side. These are all said to be control keys. There will be a numeric keyboard just like the calculator separately in the right side. This is said to be numeric keyboard. So these are the keys which are present in the keyboard. This keyboard is different for different companies, and also it will be differ in laptop also. But the thing is, all the keys are present, but the places are different. Next input device is mouse. First point, it also be wired and wireless. Then it is the pointing device used to control the movement of the cursor on the display screen. You can see the mouse which is moving here and there. Then it can be used to select icons, menus, command buttons, or activate something on a computer. Then mouse actions are click, move, double click, right click, drag and drop. So this is a mechanical device which is not in use of today. It's used for gaming. It's an air mouse. It's for gaming purpose. So I have given only a few examples for mouse. Apart from this, there are many. Nowadays keyboard and mouse are combined also. They are combined to form a different device. So there are many types of mouse are available in market. Next input device is scanner. Scanners are used to enter the information directly into the computer memory. This device works like a Xerox machine. So same, just what is the use of a Xerox machine? We can keep the paper on the Xerox machine, it will scan, and we can take the printout in another paper. right? So the scanner also same thing, it also scans, but it stores the content in the computer. The scanner converts any type of printed or written information, including photographs, into a digital format which can be manipulated by the computer. So this is a type of scanner. This is also a type of scanner, but it is a combo device because it can work as a scanner as well as it can use as a Xerox machine to take the printout which is scanned by this device. Nowadays many devices are collaborated. So fingerprint scanner is a fingerprint recognition device used for computer security. Equipped with a fingerprint recognition feature that uses biometric technology. The fingerprint scanner means it has to recognize the fingerprint. This is one type of device, this is another type, and this is our mobile which also recognize our fingerprint, and we can have fingerprint lock. Next one is trackball. Trackball is similar to the upside down design of the mouse. What is the upside down? I'll show the picture. The user moves the ball directly while the device itself remains stationary. I hope many of the students, those who are playing games, are using gaming mouse, can know of this trackball. The user spins the ball in various directions to navigate the screen movement. These are the types of trackball. Can you see a ball here? And it is used for navigation of the cursor. As it is a wireless trackball, it needs a USB port. Next one is retinal scanner. This performs a retinal scan, which is a biometric technique that uses unique patterns on a person's retinal blood vessels. Using this scanner only, this type of scanner is used for our Aadhaar card number. That means while we are going to take our Aadhaar number, we are supposed to scan our retinal and our 10 fingers. Next one is light pen. A light pen is a pointing device shaped like a pen. So it is having the name as pen, and it is connected to a monitor. The tip of the light pen contains a light sensitive element, so only it is called as light pen, which detects the light from the screen, enabling the computer to identify the location of the pen on the screen. Light pens have the advantage of drawing directly on the screen, but this becomes hard to use as it is not accurate. Yes. So this is the light pen. So using the pen we can directly write or draw on the monitor. Next one is optical character reader. It is a device which detects characters printed or written on a paper with OCR. A user can scan a page from a book. A computer will recognize the characters in the page as letters and punctuation marks and stores. The scanned document can be edited using a word processor. So it's a special device which detects characters printed or written on a paper. So this is one type. It can scan the line which is printed on the paper and it stores in the computer, as well as we can use one type of OCR reader to swipe our ATM card, that is our debit card. When we swipe our debit card, there is a number behind the card that is read by the OCR reader device. From that it will collect all the details of the card. Then there is another one, barcode and QR code reader. Barcode, then QR code. QR means quick response. A barcode is a pattern printed in lines of different thickness. A barcode reader scans the information on the barcode, transmits to the computer for further processing. Those who have gone for the supermarket, they will know, they will build the item what we have taken in that shop using the barcode reader. The system gives fast and error-free entry of information into the computer. The QR code is two-dimensional barcode which can be read by a camera and processed to interpret the image. This QR code is used in many places. Just for paying the amount using Paytm, we are using QR code. Even your textbook is having QR code. You can scan that QR code and have the content related with that particular topic which is given in your book. So this is said to be barcode, lines of different thickness, and this is the square is said to be the QR code. You can take your textbook and you can see the QR code given for each lesson in your book. Next one is microphone. Microphone serves as a voice input device. It captures the voice data and sends it to the computer. Using the microphone along with speech recognition software can offer a completely new approach to input information into the computer. So using a particular microphone, even I have recorded this video for you. Digital camera. It captures images, videos directly in the digital form. It uses a CCD, charge coupled device electronic chip. It is a physical part present inside the camera. When light falls on the chip through the lens, it converts light rays into digital format. So these are the types of web camera which we oftenly see. We use at home, we can see at a lab, we can see in a public place. So these are the digital camera. Touch screen. Touch screen is a display device that allows the user to interact with the computer by using the finger. So instead of light pen, we can directly use our finger to touch the screen. It can quite useful as an alternative to a mouse or keyboard for navigating a graphical user interface. Best example is our mobile device, which smartphone which is operated by our finger. Touch screens are used on a wide variety of devices such as computers, laptops, monitors, smartphones, tablets, cash registers and information kiosks. Some touch screens use a grid of infrared beams to sense the presence of finger instead of utilizing touch sensitive input. It's an internal process. You cannot identify the difference between the normal touch screen and the infrared beams. So these are the place. So you know this is a tab, or it can be used as a it can be a laptop. This is a place where a design is done by the finger. It's a feature computing. Now at present it is not in market, but being the 6th generation, we are expecting this type of touch screen available in future. Keyer is a device for signaling by hand by way of pressing one or more switches. Modern keyers have a large number of switches, but not as many as full-size keyboard. Typically, this number is between 4 and 50. The keyer differs from a keyboard which has no board, but the keys are arranged in a cluster. So this is the keyer. So it is used in different place, not in a commercial place where we are using our computers. A recap. What are the devices we have learnt yet? Keyboard. It's the frequently used input device, wired, wireless, virtual. Mouse is a pointing device. This is also wired and wireless. In voice input system, it's a microphone. Digital camera. Scanner. Bar or QR code reader. Light pen. Touch screen. Keyer. Optical character reader. Retinal scanner. Fingerprint scanner. That's all for this session, children. Learn well. Thank you. Have a good day.